creative people, welcome back to a new video. This video is all about gold. It's a golden bottle. As a golden enthusiast, I was wondering for a while to do this video because I have so many options for my gold paintings. I love to add some precious detail to my drawing or painting, particularly contrasted with black and white. I think it's a gentle touch, very particular one, and elevate your artwork to the next level. Although you struggle a lot to find a good or at least decent alternative to gold leaf, that is kind of tricky to apply and can be of course expensive if you use a high percentage of golden inside the foil. But I tested so many and I was very much disappointed for the very first moment with many of those. Today I want to show you my experience about golden alternatives to gold leaf. I will tell you exactly what you shouldn't buy and what can be worth to be tried. We are gonna cover everything in between: acrylic marker, acrylic, gouache, ink, pencil, colored pencil, everything that is gold, I have it. I just miss watercolor gold, so metallic watercolors, and everything connected like oil, if it's existing. Other than that, I have it. In the end of the video, I'm gonna reveal which one is my favorite alternative to gold leaf or gold foil. No. So I would say I'm content with now, and I'm using it, at least till I found a better option. As I'm always forgetting to introduce myself, my name is Luigi, also known on social media as illustrazionidilut. In this channel I'm talking about artistic stuff, so drawing, painting, art supplies. If you are interested in this kind of stuff, subscribe the channel. So let's go back to the battlefield. Now I will introduce you to the contestant of this challenge, of this golden bottle, to take the throne as best substitution to the gold leaf. Here we have the queen gold leafing particles that I collect when I use them. It's now several years I haven't used since I start buying all the possible alternatives. What's the problem with gold leaf? It's extra light, no weight basically, so when you are applying it, it's gonna move very easily whenever there is just a little bit of wind or just your breath could be enough. Plus you need a special glue to apply it. Follow a particular routine, so you need to apply the glue and let it dry for at least, I don't know, who says 10 minutes, who says 1 hour or more. The brush you are using is gonna be wasted basically. It's not that easy to use compared to whatever marker or painting. This is the very highly sophisticated scheme I made for the bottle. We have basically our contestant here. I made several marks with a waterproof permanent pen in black, so we can see also the coverage effect. And then we can compare them face to face, side by side. By applying just a bit of our glue directly on paper. This is, by the way, fake gold leaf. The original one can cost up to, I don't know, 50 euro for a single square of this size. But fake one you can buy for quite cheap price on the internet. Normally you can use gloves in order to not let the particle sticks to you. I actually made a video a few years ago about applying gold leaf. Let's say this is enough. Let's start with the first competitor of the golden bottle, is the Jelly Roll from Sakura. It's a pen, quite accurate. The drawing you saw in the beginning of the video, I used either this or a marker. It's not super covering, very thin, quite reliable and accurate when you're applying it. You can still see the black line behind, but the golden effect is quite pleasant. For sure it's better than the white jelly pen of the same brand. Contestant number 2, I just received the acrylic marker set by Ohuhu, together with some other new products from 2025. This one, as far as I see, it's super shiny, I like it. Use the small one, the big one is still unused, so let's charge it together. So in order to charge it, I have to press it a few times and then it's coming out. And look how fluid and juicy and covering it is. Super, love it. It's much more yellowish compared to the gel pen that is more bronze color. I like the effect, honestly. Speaking about marker, I have also this adding marker, acrylic marker, I think, on glass, metal, plastic, paper. I use it also in an Inktober. Bronze, gold as well, so just like the gel pen. Let's try to push it because I haven't used for a few years. Smell like varnish and it's not as coverage as the Woo marker. Let's go to competitor number 4, or the golden bottle, that is acrylic. I have this teeny tiny sample tube of acrylic gold from Art Creation Royal Talents. For this guy I need a brush though, just a cheap one, and as well as a palette and some water. Let's see. Okay, it's already coming out. You can already see how fake it looks. Some color for like carnival custom. It's so strange. Honestly, I have used only once this and I haven't liked. Not covering at all. Even if I use quite a good amount. How you can call this gold? It doesn't even look like gold, in my opinion. It's more like Naples yellow or something like that. Yellow. Competitor number 5 is colored pencil, gold colored pencil. I received this as well from Ohuhu in a very nice full set of color pencil. My first gold pencil. Let's see how it works. Okay, it's a pencil, so it's not covering as much as paints. It's yellow gold, I would say, so similar to the Ohuhu marker. I've tried other gold and like in a shop when I was trying Faber-Castell Dürer gold watercolor pencil, and was everything but gold. But maybe that one I should have tried to activate. Honestly, I don't like it particularly. Competitor number 6 is ink. Yes, there is also ink, gold ink. This one is from Roher und Klingner. It's a very good brand of inks from Germany. They are mostly waterproof, pigmented drawing and calligraphy ink. All the pigment is on the bottom, so you need to shake it properly. Let's go. Shake it, shake it, shake it, girl. Even if I shake it, it's still everything on the bottom. So what I normally do is just go with my brush on the bottom of the bottle to take some particles up. Otherwise, it's not gonna work. It's making this foam when you shake it. Okay, you see, it's not covering because everything is on the bottom. Scratch the bottom of the bottle. So now I'm applying again. Depending on how you use it, coverage can change quite a lot with this ink. It's not my favorite. So let's wait for it till it dries. It can take a few minutes. Meanwhile, we can move to competitor number 7. Yes, 7 of the golden bottle. It's Aqua Bronze Schminke. I destroyed this guy in the past. You suggest me to mix it with Arabic gum or gum Arabic as it is, and this helps a lot to make a binder. If you don't have Arabic gum with you, you can mix it with whatever yellowish or very light watercolor as a binder on the paper. If you just mix it with water, it's not gonna work. Thanks for the suggestion. So I have here the Arabic gum. If you use only water, you're gonna get is just a lot of particles on the not binded on the paper, and they're gonna eventually move out, so you're gonna lose lots of gold particles everywhere. Kind of watercolor, gold watercolor that you can apply directly. I think I can get better than this. So till it dries, we can go on with the 8th and last competitor of the golden bottle, that is gouache. I have bought this extra fine quality gouache from Royal Talent, I think. Glass bottle. It's very juicy gouache. We don't need any water to apply this. And it's super coverage and a very brilliant gold. I would say more yellowish than bronze, so similar to the marker Ohuhu. Meanwhile, the sun is gone, so it's not very comparative. In this very moment, I will go under a standard light. The ink is still a little bit wet and not covering at all, while the golden powder by Schminke is covering, and it has this particular texture that nobody else have, that is kinda imitating, in my opinion, the golden leaf. The gouache instead is the most coverage together with the Ohuhu marker, I would say. It's very easy to apply, so like the color, there are several colors, I only have this one. And here we are under a standard lamp, so we have a much more fair comparison. All our gold competitors of the golden bottle, the gel pen, the pencil are performing the worst together with the ink, while the two markers, in particular the Ohuhu marker, is covering a lot. The acrylic is also one of the worst. Golden powder is still drying, but with the binding is nice in my opinion. And the gouache is performing very well. So let's go for the votes. In my opinion, I would give the gel pen a 4. The marker Ohuhu, I would give them a 9. Looks very good and easy to apply. While the edding, I would give a 6. Acrylic is not even categorizable, I would give 1. Pencil, good try next time. I give a 4. Ink, honestly, I love ink and I'm really struggling to do this, but it's not better than a 3. The golden powder, depending on the mood, I would give a 7. Gouache, I would give a 9 as well. So they are the most favorite. I would give even a 10. I could let it win. Tell me in the comment what's your opinion, what's the favorite gold of yours. If you are wondering how to apply gold leaf like this, I link you the video I made a couple of years ago. I thank you for watching this far. I see you in the next video. Bye.